created the we have started the system copy. So from there, SWPM export, SWPM export, we have done it. So using the SWPM, we have done the export of the source system here. So see here, export has been completed, successfully completed here. Export is completed here, right? So then once the export is completed, so then we can move our in the same system with the copy of the existing system. We can build the new SID, we can build it new SAP system with the copy of the existing system. We can build it out here. So that is the concept here. So here in the SWPM folder, SWPM export, there is a folder got created, right? So ABAP, so inside of the ABAP data, DB, so some files folder structure got created here, right? So here you see they are the tables, so they are the data table structures. So all the things got created as part of the export here. So this export dump, we have to move to the target location. Target location in the sense like where you want to build the new system. Either on the same host you are going to build the new system, or in a separate host, means separate operating system, you are going to build the new system here. So that's what we have to check now. So in that case, so suppose in our case we are going to build on the same system here, then go to the SWPM. So again launch the so again launch the SAP SWPM on the target host. Why? Because in the both the cases, so SWPM is very important here. In the both the cases, SWPM is very important for so this to perform these activities and everything here. So SWPM for the target system side. So suppose like target system means you are installing the system with the copy of the existing system, right? So then you need the SWPM, then again db client, db client, that has to be installed it. Then so kernel you required, in case of separate kernel you want to plan it kernel. So if it is a different host kernel, you need to plan it. On the same host you don't require. Then exports. So sir, exports also required, right? No, export dump is required here. So only thing is the difference between the installation and system copy is, for the installation you require the SWPM, DB client, kernel, export softwares, then SAP host agent, right? So but system copy also you require the all the software files are required, but except export. For the fresh installation you need the export dump, the export softwares. For the system copy you need the export dump, which you exported from the source system. So that file, that folder structure you required there. So then you can start the on the target system, just launch the SAP INST. It will open the URL in the browser here. So then we can go to here. So once it is launched, so then we can open the SWPM screen. Then we can start the target preparation activities and everything here. So instead of in this host, what I will do, I will open in a our gem server. So in the gem server, I can directly open the URL here.
ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿಲ್ಲೇನು?
So here, what I will do, here I will go to the HTTPS colon slash slash. So KP online 1 and 4237 is the SAP SWPM tool host name. So IP address 4237 is common for the So all the installations and everything here, that's I have opened here. So then it's once it is opened, then what you can do. Why it is not opening? 4237. We can open URL from the browser. Here it won't open. Maybe let me log in again. Okay, I need to click on the proceed. Yeah. So now it's opening the URL in the browser. That's the thing. So now it will open the URL. So when I open the screen, yeah. So it's opened. So here, so administrator. So here in the screen, we need to carefully select the options here. Only option selection you require. Why? Because remaining things and all, it's very normal. Why? Because already you guys done the installation, same steps. So you see this one, select the database, then select the system copy, not the installation. Installation means again it will ask the fresh SID, new SID will be installed with the empty data. When you go for the system copy, so now you need to choose the target system. Why? Because you are now executing on the target system. Source system is you exported. Now you are importing that export on the target system, right? So target system either should be either anything. So same as per installation, you will give the same things here. So same like host names. So same SID, instance number, and passwords. Same thing as what you do during the installation time. Same way you need to select the all the things here as well in the SWPM screen as well. So this is the target system, you need to choose it here. Source we have to do the exports, target we have to perform the import option, we have to do that one. So remember the port number of the SWPM tool, and so remember the usage of the SWPM, and using the SWPM, you know what and all the things we can do it, right? So for the installation, then uninstallation, then rename of the SID, then adding additional application server here. So adding additional app server, right? So adding the additional application server. Then what we can do, so some other things like web dispatcher, so tracks, so gateway, so other, so many things we can do using the SWPM screen here. In that, most frequent options are, so installation, normally we know uninstallation, system copy methods, right? System copy, that is also we are using. These and all the things possible using the SWPM tool, SWPM usage options here, right? So
Ravinder, your voice is breaking, Ravinder.
not, okay, let me connect from other laptop. So just I will connect from other laptop. Just hold on. Let me give. Hi, am I audible now clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. I changed the laptop. Not sure what happened. That laptop always in the middle of the session it's giving the trouble. Okay, so let me share my screen. This is the different device. Not sure how we can see the screen. Okay, it's a very short screen. Okay, so now you see here in the screen, so you have so same as like in installation, there is a parameter section screen. You just click on the next button. So then it will ask the SID, which SID you are going to build it. So that SID it will ask us. So then we have to provide the SID details here. So log file, same SAP INST. Execute the license and check. Here we can find out what is the collect the component, which step is going to execute it here, get SID, get mount points. So all the things it is going to ask it here. So everything here. So Unicode system. So there's Unicode system here. So then what is the destination directory? What is the SID? So what is the SID? Suppose like so NWQ quality. So right, Unicode is recommended. Then so NW1 system we are exported. We are building a new system. That new SID is called the NWQ. But it will same as like your NW1 system only. Data, user IDs, the passwords, same as like your NW1 system only here. Same as per installation, whatever you are giving, similar way we have to give it here. Okay, so here see the standard system copy method. Yes, it's a migration node based or homogeneous system copy, which means it's a backup and restore method. We know backup and restore that will be covered in the DB topic time. So, but it's a standard system copy method. So then select it, click on the OK button. So DB it is checking. So same database. So source also same. Target also same database. If the target is the different, then we need to. It is called the migration. So but same tool we can use it for migration also here. Same as WPM tool. So here, but only thing is on the selection screen in the SWPM selection screen, you need to choose the target database section here. Which database? So you need to use it. That database section you have to use it from there. So remaining things and all, SID commonly we have given, passwords during the installation time, whatever we have, that also we have given. So now kernels, it is asking, see, so kernels. So kernels means, so whatever the kernel files we have, so same kernel directory. So same as like as this installation only. The only thing is that instead of that export dump, we give you the different files folders we are giving here. So kernels, where is the kernel files here? Don't have kernels, I guess. Let me check. I don't have kernel. Kernel files, I think we don't have. I think we need to download the kernels as well here. So let me check. Patches folder is there. Here IGS helper and IGS helper is there, and softwares are there. Softwares are there. So these exports are not required. Only kernels are required here. So how can I copy the kernels here? So let me check here. We'll log into the other system. That's why as part of the prerequisites, all the kernel files, all the kernels, softwares, export dump, everything is in place. Otherwise, see now how we are placing the error. Similar way we may face the issues as well here. So see now we are trying to check the kernel. Now we need to check where the kernels located. Maybe client IGS exe, IGS helper. So we have so instead of downloading, so there is a practice server, CP practice 2. There we have the kernel files are there here. So I'm trying to copy from those files. CP, SAP, practice 2. So from there, I'm trying to yeah, there are the kernels. Here are the kernels. So what I will make it, I will make it this one as a secure one. So shared one, so that so we can pull the softwares from in these locations. Done. That's it. Yes, SAP softwares kernel. So kernel we need in this location. Let's copy it to the software location. Oh my god, this will take time, I guess. Shit. Meanwhile, let me try a different way. So without kernel now we cannot proceed. So kernels are required now. So otherwise we have to download the kernels. That is the one important thing here. So here I think we have the SAP exe DB is different. I think here SAP IGS exe we have, and It's copying, but slowly it is copying. Let me try directly downloading the software. Okay, so I can directly download it then. So SAP Download Center. Now go to the support pack and packages. Go to this one, and we can directly download from here instead of copying. Because so this copying is taking some time. So whatever the files are copying, that's fine, about 25 minutes. So instead of that, so we can directly download in the server. So kernel. So let's download SAP exe, SAP xcdv. So SAP. Okay, so it's downloaded. So next one, DB independent file. So DB independent file. Then in this case, SAP. So exe, SAP exe, we have to download it here, DB independent file. So that's one I'm downloading. So in case this is also downloaded, we don't need to copy all the files then. IGS exe it is copying. Then SAP. So here I can type like SAP IGS. Yeah. Okay. IGS exe downloaded. Then IGS helper. So these are the 4 files which required for the kernel, right? So in the SWPM, these are the 4 files are very, very, very important. SAP exe, SAP exedb, then IGS exe and IGS helper. These 4 are so required. So these 4 files we are downloading from the service marketplace, and we will create a one folder. We will move to into that folder level. So one SAP exe is there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 cut, and we can go to the softwares folder, SAP softwares. There is the kernel. So kernel, only this thing is copied. Let's copy to this one. So IGS-exe. So kernel we copied. So now what I'm going to do now, so just browse the kernel path here. Just browse the kernel path, whatever the kernel path is there, just browse the kernel. So it is reading the kernel files. So you can see the in the log file. So what are the kernels it is reading? IGS and IGS file and some other files. SAP exe.
Sir, for the IGS, do we need to download the latest patch level or?
IGS, there is no IGS and IGS exe. Whatever is the latest that you can download it.
Okay. Means that will be compatible for the kernel patch
Yes,
level, right?
right. So those are not the operating system dependency. So you can download it. Yeah, like there is no revisions also for that one. Directly you can download it here. So this one, so it's all are the OS independent. IGS helper is the OS independent. So then IGS exe also. So yeah, IGS exe, whatever the release you have, 754 release, then 754 IGS, then you can download it. That's it. These all are not the, so you can download it related. Yes, it's operating system dependency, this one. And IGS helper is not the operating system dependency. Any file you can download it, which is the latest.
Okay.
Okay, so here, so if anything wrong, so it won't accept the connection here. Suppose something is wrong, you wrongly downloaded the version, the compatibility levels and everything you wrongly downloaded, then here it won't accept the files or anything here. See here, so SAP exe DB, whatever the DB file you downloaded, system is not accepted. So SWPM tool not accepted here. So here something wrong. So SAP exe DB is wrong. Maybe we downloaded a wrong one or not. So but that is wrong here. So now we can see, we can go back and see the correct file what we downloaded and everything, which operating systems we downloaded that file. So 400. Oh my god. So SAP DB I downloaded 400, SAP exe I downloaded 500. So both are mismatching, right? So then again, so we have to download for the SAP compatible to the SAP exe version. We have to download it here. So let me go to here. So provisioning. So system download SAP software. See, even version mismatch also system is not accepting anything here. Go to the support pack and patches by alphabetical index, then K for kernel. $754. So DB, SAP exe DB. So this has to be 500 only. So whatever the SAP exe version, same like you have to download this version as well. So you wrongly downloaded that one. So that caused the issue now. So now you downloaded correctly, then place the correct DB version here. So go back and your download correct version you can download, then delete this one. So SAP exe, SAP exe DB. So now choose the correct DB file here. So exe, exedb both should be in the same version here. So then only it will accept it and we can go to the next step here. So right, so what you can do here, see all the files are available. So go to the next step. Same installation, this procedures are same. Only thing is installation time also it is asked to the SID and the details, software details, passwords, kernel and everything. So only insta exports and here export dump is the so main thing. So host agent also same here. So just we can next uncheck. You can just click on the next button. So create the files. So number of parallel jobs. So same. The only difference is there we have to download the exports here, export dump, which you exported from the source. So that we have to choose it. That is only difference. So same instance numbers, whatever the instance number you want to set. So you can choose the instance numbers here, same. So then click on the next button. So if you don't choose it, SAP will, as the sum tool will choose the next sequence. So next sequence of the instance numbers, then it will take it further. So no SLD. Individual key files. Same screen side, same installation, also same screens. Now also it's the same screens. So 000 client password. So whatever the password you set, so in the source means which you exported. So that password, why? Because it will refer the dump. So that password you need to choose it. So yeah, review parameter section, right? So review parameter section, same as like here. So we need to choose the review parameter. So just in the review parameter, just cross check whether the detected components, then number of jobs, So agent, then export dump, where you chosen the export dump, right? You have the export dump in the SWPM export screen, right? So then everything you have chosen, click on the next button, then it will start building the new system with the NWQ. Okay, this is the same as like installation. It will take time and it will start building the new systems and everything. Okay, so this is the concept of the system copy. So import procedures here. Okay, so that is the one. And yeah, tomorrow, so we are starting the HANA-DB administration part. So please join without any fail. So then we can complete. Whoever not joined previous batch, so you can join it. So that you all can cover the HANA-DB topics as well. Okay.
Timing was same, sir.
Which
Same
one?
time? Same time, right?
Same time,
9 to
same time.
10.
Yeah, same time,
Yes.
same time. Yeah, same time we are going to discuss.